this is Courage Owens, and I'm going to show you the off-road lawnmower that I'm working on. So I haven't made any adjustments on the speed of this thing, but I will probably be turning it into like a racing mower sometime soon. But I'll show you what I've done so far to make it easier to use for off-roading. So I didn't have a battery for this, so I put a pull start on it. So I just wrapped the rope around, and then this is already warmed up, so it should start easy. The old motor was shot pretty much. The carburetor was all messed up and it was leaking gas into the oil. So I had another one laying around that I stuck in it. But when I tried starting it up, it was starting to leak gas into the oil too. So I had to replace the needle and seat in the carburetor. And so I just gave it a whole new carb kit and ran great after that. I put a gas pedal on this because it'll eventually be nice once I'm using it to go a little faster. It was like a normal throttle like what's normally on it from a different machine that I cut a hole in the deck, bolted it on so I can push it and pull it with my foot. Haven't put a spring return on it yet. The tires originally, they don't have an awful lot of traction, so I deflate them a lot so then they can sort of grip anything that they're going over, just sort of conform around it so that it can grip it better to just crawl right over it. So the way I did the flame job on here, I had a paper stencil that would cover this part with all the flame cutouts, and then I just spray painted right over it with some red spray paint. Took the light cover off, spray painted all around that, and then I also spray painted the rims. Red spray paint. And I put bigger front tires on, front wheels, so that it can hop over bigger objects.